How to make a brochure or poster using Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Canva. Now simply tap on the search templates option at the top of the screen and search for brochure or poster. So let's search for brochure for now, just to show you as an example. And as you search for it, you can see there are different premium versions and free versions as well, so you can select whichever is more convenient for you. I'm going to select on one of the brochures over here, so you can select whichever is more convenient for you. And as we do that, you'll be able to see the brochure that we have selected as a template for us. So as it loads, what you can simply do is you'll be able to see all this text, images and so on. So what you can simply do is tap on any of the text if you want to change it. If you want to change any picture, you can replace the pictures as well. You can change the font size, font design, even the colors of the background and so on. So you can just change the colors and text and everything design like this. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.